today. We got mic'd up SLDO. Hopefully working to a 440 top set for 6, maybe 7, 5. I'd be happy with 2. Got Gatorade, pre-workout carbs. Fucked up. Try to get banana was bad. But I also ate before this. This 40 grams of carbs on top, probably another 40 grams I just ate before this for dinner. So, yeah. A lot of fun. I call it an SLDO. You call whatever. Deadlift, SLDO, RDO. I don't really care. I don't keep it completely stiff, just so I can keep the bar path as close to my legs as possible, but I don't start nearly as low as I would for a deadlift, so that's why I just call it an SLDO. And this made me think of a topic or comment that normally comes up that you shouldn't deadlift with a rounded back. Yes, if your entire back is rounded. Normally my lower back is locked in. I got a big butt and I normally wear like long clothes, so kind of makes it look like it's rounded. But my lower back is locked in. The rounding comes from my thoracic spine, which is where it's okay to round a little bit. You might be more powerful there. So don't really worry about it. You'll know when it becomes a problem. And your body will warn you before. Okay, I don't know if it was good or not yet, but this will tell me what I need to know. If y'all want an underrated hype song for your PRs, Dead and Bloated by Stone Temple Pilots. Room. Let's go. Yeah, baby. First part about being strong, having to put everything back. And I even like Trailer Dev. Oh my gosh.